Let us understand the structure of a simple decision tree. The example dataset comprises of 4 predictors, namely past trend, open interest, volume, and gap price for a stock. The target variable return indicates the daily change in the stock price, which can be either up or down. In this example, trading volume is the root node which gets selected from all the available predictors based on a criterion like Gini index or information gain. When trading volume is high, the dataset before the split takes place would look as shown here. Out of the available predictors, open interest is selected as an internal node based on the set criteria, and it further splits the dataset into smaller datasets. After the split, where open interest is low, the remaining dataset would look as shown here. This splitting process is carried out along all the paths of the decision tree. When a decision tree is completely constructed, each leaf node is assigned to one target class.